Hello. Welcome to the mess, or welcome back to the mess. Yeah, this last, what is it, week, 2 weeks has been insane, and that's 99% you guys. So honestly, thank you for everything. Gonna try to not ruin it. This one took a little bit longer than I wanted it to. Honestly, I was really hoping to get this out in a couple of days, but the plan devolves really fast.
Oi!
He wants to go out.
Quit that!
It's very important.
No, you quit that right now.
I don't want to. I
Stop
want
misbehaving.
to ruin.
Yeah, we're not getting our pet deposit back at all. He shoved his fat little ass through every blind in the house. I've done it a couple of times where I just decide that I'm gonna go to a thrift store, find something, and turn it into something else. But we went to three thrift stores.
Well, they're gonna see that.
Yeah, but I'm talking to you. We'll cut that out, but I'm...
So today we're gonna go to some thrift stores and see if we can't find
something fixable. And we went, and
no, we haven't gone yet at all.
Here's the next part.
You want to try the intro again, or are you happy with
What
that?
intro? Is this partially just an excuse for me to go to the thrift store? Yes. You excited? Let's do this part
You look
now.
real pretty today.
Thanks. I really hate these bags.
No, it looks nice.
Stop!
No way,
Get away.
I'm gonna pot it like.
Don't! Not down the middle! He could be fun.
What would you do with it?
Yeah, make him not seasonal, maybe.
This is wonderful. It says duck the holes.
Great. How about a Casper lamp?
That is horrendous. Oh,
I got nothing. Look at him, he's having a great time. Overwhelmed and underwhelmed at the same time. I should just go home. This is the best thing I've ever seen. I'm never gonna be able to make this. I'm trying to find something ceramic because it'd be really easy to change it into something else, because you can either bake it in the oven if you use polymer clay, or you can do the resin clay, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So far, this is all I've got. Not the best, not the worst. He's hanging in there. I don't really know.
he seems nice.
He looks worried.
Well, wouldn't you be? He probably saw that last green thing you made.
Okay, so that one was not the best. So I guess we're gonna try, what is this? What is this called? We're gonna try this one and see if maybe they have something that's not crap. Is that stupid? There's a Yoshi on a bike. I mean,
Could be an interesting video just to see what's in it.
I had an idea. Debating on buying a giant bin of toys and turning it into a big sculpture. Is that stupid? We went from no plan to kind of a plan. It was $21.44 for a giant bucket of we don't know what. So I don't know. Let's open it when we get home and find out what I'm doing. Okay, so pretty much struck out at the thrift stores for the most part until we found a giant tub of toys. The plan kind of became buy giant tub of toys, make something. So let's find out what's in that.
So we're gonna finally look through the stuff?
Yes.
Because that hasn't happened yet.
I'm a little too excited. Could be anything in there. Ugh, all right. Phew.
A ball.
A ball.
Tag miss!
Simon does.
He wants it, they both want it. He's playing with it legit.
Oh.
He's going crazy with it.
I guess we can kind of sort them into some sort of categories.
Okay.
What is this? Oh, okay.
So what's your plan with all this stuff?
Sculpture, but don't know what. Oh, another one.
No.
We're just gonna
Pokemon it is, it will be added to your electronic collection. Is your Pokemon mainly purple?
No.
Is it a dual type?
No.
That's what I thought. I think I know. If I'm not mistaken, you were thinking of Arcanine.
Wow, it got it.
Right?
Yes. This is so cool. I wanted this one. I found it in a Target one time, but it was 20 bucks, so I didn't buy it. But hey, live your dreams, kids.
This is becoming a toy haul video instead of an arts project.
It's gonna be an arts project after we go through all of it. No?
No.
No?
No, I don't think so.
So what I'm hearing is don't wear these outside the house.
No.
Don't wear these to the store.
Oh, jeez.
So we've sorted everything. Mostly. Some winners, some losers. I have no plan. I probably stared at that box of toys for a good hour before I had any kind of idea of what I wanted to do with it. And then I kind of I found this. And that's pretty much, I'm thinking big wave of toys, and he's just surfing on the top. And probably spray paint the ones that are not blue, spray paint them blue, and then just kind of like mix in ones that are already. So I'm gonna spray paint some stuff. Let's do that. Help.
So why are you doing 3 different colors?
I think it'll look kind of cool.
So now that we don't have to wait 2 hours for all this to dry, you have like that moment in every good cooking show where it's like, here's some we prepared earlier, and you actually have a bunch of these you painted yesterday. Right? Right?
One eternity later.
We're on like day 4 of this. Kill me. Hopefully this is the last day.
You decided to paint them on one of our free days, so then we had to wait for them to dry on the free day.
And then at the end of that day, hopefully they're dry, it rained. So...
Yeah, and you left them outside in the rain.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Well, you're done. Glue it together. Let's go home.
There we go. Just mush it, glue, done. See you guys next week. Okay, so I probably should have filmed this part, but I removed him from his little plastic prison, and now he's here. So he's gonna be the top part.
Are you going to use the wave that he was on at least?
No.
But that's the one part that actually is a wave.
I'm gonna make my own wave. Everything's blue. Yep. Yep. Cool. All right. I guess just start gluing them just in a wave shape.
Remember when this idea was so simple? Get one thing, you said.
I'm just gonna start.
Do you think it looks good? Is it coming together how you envisioned?
Yeah, I like it better than I thought. I was hoping that I could figure out some way to like curve the toys upwards, but thankfully I had the giraffe, which kind of anchors the whole thing.
I'm gonna put a white one over here.
No, don't do that.
Why? Why?
Don't point the gun at me either.
Well, it's not gonna explode in your face.
The white ones go up here.
Oh, I don't want to do that. Can I do the turtle guy? How come none of those are colored in?
Some of them were already blue, so I thought that would be kind of cool.
But they're also different colors.
No, the other ones are pirates.
Oh, are they gonna be in a boat?
Maybe. I can't decide if I want to glue them in the boat or just like stick them places because they're kind of tiny.
Wouldn't that kind of throw off the color scheme? I don't know if I like that idea.
Well, I don't know if this is your project. There we go.
Is that it?
That's it. That was the vision. That was it.
Alright, how'd it go? I'm trying.
Sorry, her head came off. Wasn't exactly what I was trying to do. But I like it. I don't hate it. I like the little pirates in a boat. Those are fun. I'll just be back here. Alright guys, thank you for sticking around for whatever this was. This process. The next one is gonna be 100% better. Nothing could be worse than this, right? So here's what this is. Thank you for being here and for subscribing and watching the mess. We'll see you next time. Why did I...
You had a salute from last time. There you go. That was it.
Was it this and then that?
No, other way around. Salute. Yeah, there we go.